What causes Crew Dragon's noise and vibration during ascent? Imagine being inside a spacecraft during launch, feeling the roar and shake as it blasts off into space. That intense experience is caused by several factors working together. When Crew Dragon launches, it rides atop a Falcon 9 rocket, which produces enormous thrust to lift it off the ground. This thrust comes from rocket engines that burn fuel at incredible rates, creating powerful pressure and force. These engines generate vibrations that travel through the rocket structure and into Crew Dragon itself. Sometimes, these vibrations happen because of fluctuations in fuel flow, called pogo oscillations, which are tiny pressure waves in the fuel lines that cause the rocket to shake. The engines also produce loud sounds, known as acoustic energy, which adds to the noise inside the capsule. As the rocket accelerates, the force of the thrust pulses, causing the spacecraft to vibrate more. These vibrations are transmitted through the rocket's frame and into Crew Dragon, making the ride feel rougher. Another big contributor to noise and vibration is the atmosphere. As the rocket speeds through the air, it pushes against the surrounding air, creating pressure waves and buffeting. These aerodynamic forces cause the spacecraft to shake at certain frequencies, especially when passing through denser parts of the atmosphere. The interaction between the rocket's structure and these forces can cause resonant vibrations, which are like musical notes that make the whole vehicle shake more. For astronauts inside Crew Dragon, these vibrations and noises are noticeable but manageable. Since Crew Dragon is smaller and closer to the engines than older spacecraft like the Space Shuttle, the vibrations can feel more intense. During launch, astronauts also hear sounds from venting and valves opening, which are part of the fueling process and engine startup. These operational sounds are normal and part of the launch environment. To prepare for this, astronauts spend hours training in simulators that mimic the vibrations and noises of launch. This helps them stay calm and focused despite the physical sensations. Engineers also design Crew Dragon and its launch procedures to minimize harmful vibrations and noise, making sure the crew's safety and comfort are maintained. In essence, the loud noises and shaking during Crew Dragon's ascent come from the powerful rocket engines, fuel flow fluctuations, aerodynamic forces, and the way vibrations travel through the spacecraft. All these factors combine to create the unique experience of a space launch, which astronauts are trained to handle with confidence.